the channel that you get to see to prepare all the freshest recipes out of the most freshest ingredients. Today, we're gonna actually make a hamburger. A light hamburger for those who are in a diet and think that a hamburger will make them fat or something or whatever. So we're gonna make for you a light hamburger made out of nice fresh ingredients. So to make that hamburger, we're gonna actually have the following ingredients. We're gonna have some onions, we're gonna have some spring lettuce, some tomato, some French brioche buns, turkey bacon, garlic, and butter. We're gonna have for the patties, we're gonna actually have two type of beef at 80-20 and a 90-10 ratio, which actually this side here is actually a raised without antibiotics, so which is organic beef. We're also gonna have a little bit of a smoked cheddar. We're gonna season our patties with just salt and pepper. We're gonna add a little bit of mayo and tomato and ketchup, and we're gonna actually make a nice pink sauce as a complement. Just combine ketchup and mayonnaise in a bowl and add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, citrus, it could be orange or it could be clementine in my case, and mix it well until you see that you have a nice pink sauce. To season the beef, you just actually mix the two cuts very well. There, you can use your hands until they all combine. After you have mixed it well, get the minced garlic and mix it with the melted butter. Add the garlic and the butter to the beef and mix it again. Combine everything together now. These actually will make the patties to be more juicy when you cook them. So now we're gonna make the patties. Just grab at least 8 ounces. And 4 ounces of the beef. And make a nice juicy patty. Fat and round. Because you have those French buns that are round. Nicely round. Make it a little bit bigger than the buns because you know when you cook them, the patties would shrink a little bit because they would burn out that fat. To cook the burger, just season well with a little bit of salt. And pepper to your taste. Add a little bit of olive oil on the hot top and spread it out. This will help you the burger not to stick to the hot top. You can also use frying pan if you want, the saucepans, whatever. But in this case, we're gonna use a flat top. Just lay in there. And let it cook for about 3 minutes on each side. Do not flip it until the 3 minutes has passed because you just wanna flip it once. Once you flip it on the other side, you leave it for another 3 minutes and then we'll be done. You will be able to add the cheese or add whatever you want after those 6 minutes have passed. 3 minutes on one side, 3 minutes on the other side. So now, you're just gonna flip it. The other look how that nice caramelization there. Side. There you go. Now that the patties are almost done, just lay the bacon on the side, so you can put the bacon too next to the patty, right there. Still, with the little bit of garlic and butter that you have left, you can actually add a little bit more on top, so you can have that nice flavor of garlic and butter, which make everything taste better. There you go. For the cheese, use a cheese slicer. If you don't have a cheese slicer, you can use a knife, but I'm gonna use a cheese slicer. It's more precise for the amount of cheese I'm gonna add to the patties. So the cheese slices have 3 different sizes. It has large, medium, and small. Since we're doing a light hamburger, we're actually gonna have the small size of the cheese slices. Just go through the cheese like that, and you can see the little tiny slices that you can slice with that cheese slicer. There you go. In this case, we're just gonna have 4 slices. I know you want more cheese. This is a good cheese, but in this case, we're only having just 2 slices for each burger. So this is very nice cheese, very flavorful, smoky, which comes in beechwood, cheddar cheese, smoked in wood, and will give the patty a nice smoky flavor. Now that it's almost done, you actually add the cheese on top so you can melt, so the cheese can melt on top. Since the bacons are already crispy, just take it off the heat and leave it on the side. So now that the cheese is a little bit melted, just take off the patty off the grill and leave it on the side. Close the buns, just add a little bit of that butter and garlic there. Put a little bit on the buns so you can have the flavor. You're just gonna toast the bun on the inside, not on the outside, because you want to have the inside a little bit hard so it can hold your hamburger well. It's toasted. You see that it's toasted on one side. Right there, you see. You leave it a little bit more. You don't want to toast it on this side, just on one side. Assemble your burger. Just put the buns on a plate. Add a little bit of the pink sauce on the bottom, just like that. Not too much, because you don't wanna make that bread saggy. Get a little bit of the spring letters there. On the plate, get one patty, put it on top, one patty on top, get the bacon on there, one slice of tomato, one slice of raw onions, and add a little bit of mayo and ketchup on top of the other side of the bone. There and there. there you have it. Nice, light, and juicy burger. There you have it, a nice, light hamburgers from Ivan Cooking Adventures. If you want to keep watching all of our recipes, just subscribe to our channel and enjoy it.